What's up, guys and girls? It's Jesse Daly here in the Caribbean. My friends, we have a few things to talk about today. Today is Sunday, September 21st. So we have Tropical Storm Gabrielle in the Atlantic, which will likely become Hurricane Gabrielle shortly and will pass east of Bermuda. We're going to look at that in a second, but there are also two other tropical waves here, one of which has just been flagged by the National Hurricane Center. First, we have disturbance number one with a medium chance of development over the next 7 days. It looks like this will pass northeast of the Caribbean islands. We'll keep a close eye on that. This one here, disturbance number two, was just flagged by the National Hurricane Center this afternoon. A tropical wave 500 miles east of the Windward Islands is currently producing a small area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms as it moves westward. Earlier satellite-derived wind data indicated the wave does not have a closed circulation, but environmental conditions appear marginally conducive for further development over the next few days. By the later part of the week, it could slow down and move north around northwestward, but we still could have some gusty winds and rain on Tuesday, and this could strengthen. I mean, we have some lower wind shear. We have some moisture, in the Atlantic. So we have to watch this one really closely, especially in the Virgin Islands here. That's where I am. Let's look at the infrared satellite imagery really quickly. This is courtesy of tropicaltidbits.com. I'm circling that area, disturbance number two, that new wave that has been flagged by the National Hurricane Center. And, we can see that it's starting to, show some more convection. Also to the east, we're looking at disturbance number one, that general area that I am circling with my cursor toward the eastern Atlantic area. That's disturbance number one, the general vicinity of that wave. So interesting to keep an eye on both of these things. I also want to show you very quickly, my friends, this is the latest update from 11 a.m. Tropical Storm Gabrielle, which is expected to be a hurricane very soon, and it will pass to the east of Bermuda. But we're going to have some gusty winds. Certainly, will probably pass by the island, and we'll have. We'll take a look at the key messages here. We'll have some gusty winds and rain are possible, but also there will be some swells along the east coast of the U.S. Toward this week because of Gabrielle. So something to keep an eye on if you're along the eastern seaboard, and of course watch this closely if you're in Bermuda. My friends, I will make sure to keep you posted on everything happening in the Atlantic. Make sure to continue to follow the National Hurricane Center, especially over the next couple of days, as we see that this new wave here kind of popped up pretty quickly. So things can change very quickly in the tropics. I'll be here in the tropics throughout hurricane season. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.